Hi, boys and girls. We're going to talk really quick about this heart rate activity lab because they did not turn out so well. And I am thinking it's because of a lack of understanding. This is why it's really important to watch the Edpuzzle videos that I give you so that you know what to do. However, I'm going to go over this with you. So, the first thing you're going to do, most of you guys are able to do this part, is you are going to take your pulse for 10 seconds and then multiply it by 6. This is going to give you your beats per minute and how much your resting heart rate is for beats per minute. I did mine, okay? And if you need a timer, go to Google and type in 10-second timer. I'll find my pulse under my neck here. Once I feel it, I'm going to click start. I'm going to count. And I stop. So after those 10 seconds, now I need to go back and I need to count. Okay, so my heart rate that I got for that was 11 beats per minute. I can't put 11 beats per those 10 seconds. I can't put those 11 seconds down, so I need to do the math. I need a full minute, which is 60 seconds. I had 11 beats in the 10 seconds. 11 times 6 is going to give me 66. So my resting heart rate was 66 beats per minute. Then I'm going to complete the following activities and record my heart rate. The first one is arm circles for 30 seconds. So I come over here and I decide I need a 30-second timer. 30-second timer is going to start. I do arm circles for 30 seconds. I'm not counting how many arm circles I'm doing because I need to know what my heart rate is. I already did this activity. My arm circles after 30 seconds, okay? For me, I had 90 beats per minute. My push-ups, after doing 20 push-ups, that's what reps are. This means I did 20 push-ups. After 20 push-ups, my heart rate was 132 beats per minute. Speed walking and jogging for 2 minutes. If you can't go for a jog because it's raining out or it's cold out, march in place for 2 minutes. For me, I got 102 beats per minute. Now, your max heart rate minus your age. Yours is not going to look like mine because I'm a lot older than you. So for me, I'm going to start with 220, and I'm going to subtract my age. I am 32, so mine is going to be 188 beats per minute. Then I need to come down here and find out what my exercise heart rate should be. My target heart rate for moderate exercise intensity using this equation. Moderate exercise intensity is 50 to 70% of your max heart rate. So 50 to 70% of this right here, your maximum heart rate. So my maximum heart rate was 188. I am going to take 188 and I am going to multiply it by 0.5. That gives me 94 beats per minute. Then I multiply my max heart rate. For me was 188, so the number you got for number 3, and I will multiply it by 0.7. 131.6. We're going to round up. 132 beats per minute. Now, I need to find my heart rate for the vigorous exercise intensity using the next equation. Vigorous intensity is 70 to 85% of my max heart rate. Now, I already did this one. It's up here. I got 132 beats per minute. Now I need to find the higher end of the vigorous exercise. I go back to my calculator and I type in my maximum heart rate from number 3. For me was 188, not you, for me. Then I'm going to multiply it by 0.85. I got 159.8. So I'm going to round that up to 159. I already did all of these. Squats, 20 on, 10-second rest for 2 minutes. That means I will do my squats for 10 seconds. So I'm going to set a 2-minute timer. Now, for 20 seconds, okay, for 20 seconds, I'm going to do my squats. You can put your hands here. You can put your hands here for 20 seconds. Then I rest for 10. Then I do another 20 seconds. Then I rest for 10. All right. I already did mine. That was supposed to be your work. This is your work. Okay. 20 seconds on, 10 seconds off. I did my heart rate and it was 132. Remember, if you count, sorry, my right side, if you count for 10 seconds, you take that number and divide it or multiply it by 6. So when I did mine, I would have had 22 beats per minute. So I counted for 10 seconds. I got 22. Then I multiplied it by 6. And that's how I got 132 beats per minute. Then I did planks. The same thing. You're going to use your timer. Use your 2-minute timer. Press start. For 20 seconds, you're going to hold your plank. Then for 10 seconds, you're going to rest. You do this for 2 minutes total. I did that. My heart rate was 156 beats per minute. Crunches, same thing. 20 seconds, then 10-second rest for 2 minutes. I did this and mine was 96 beats per minute. If I wanted to, I could have done a walk around a track 4 laps. I can't get to a track right now. It's been raining. Step ups for 2 minutes. Do you have a stair or a set of stairs at home? Use the bottom step and go up, 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 down, down with the bottom step for 2 minutes. Up, up, down, down. That would be with your feet, not your hands. Okay. Shoulder press. If you have cans of something, let's say you've got a good bottle, a heavy bottle of lotion and maybe a stapler in the other hand, okay? Push it up and you do for 20 seconds. Then you rest for 10 and you do it for 2 minutes, okay? At the end of this, which exercises did you work out in the moderate exercise intensity? So moderate exercise, I go back up to number 4, and I know that I have to be between 94 and 132. Which ones were between 94 and 132? Well, for me, that was squats. I'm going to type in squats. And then 94 to 132. Oh, my crunches and sit-ups were also between 94 and 102. They were at 96. Okay, now, which exercises did I do that were in the vigorous intensity? Vigorous, number 5, 132 to 159. This part, 156. Oh, that one's between those two numbers. So that were planks. And I'm going to type in planks. Then I can turn in my assignment. You need to complete all of these parts correctly in order to receive credit, or I'm not taking them. You have the rest of this week to redo that lab and to make sure that it's correct. I'm not assigning any other work other than this puzzle right here to explain what we're doing, and then the lab. If you have questions, please reach out to me. Thanks, guys, and we'll see you later.